Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be taking a quick look at Nevada handyman license laws. Now, in the state of Nevada, there are certain contractor license exemptions, and this means that you do not need a contractor license under the following circumstances. If you're performing work authorized by representatives of the United States government, state of Nevada, county, city, or some type of government agency in Nevada, then you do not need a contractor license. If you're a public utility company working with the state of Nevada, you do not need a license. If you're an officer of the court performing work associated with your position, you don't need a license. And then also, if you're the owner of the property and you're not intending to sell or lease the property, then in certain cases, you do not need a contractor license. These are the main four exemptions. Now, when do you need a license? When you are doing jobs over $1,000 or work that requires pulling a building permit. If you're performing structural framing, plumbing, electrical, refrigeration, heating, or air conditioning, or trades that are associated with contractor licenses in the state of Nevada, then you will need a license. Now, also, if the work is performed as part of a larger project, then you will need a contractor license. So legally, a handyman in the state of Nevada can do jobs that do not require a building permit, anything under $1,000 that can be considered casual or minor in nature, and cosmetic and simple repair type jobs. These are the types of jobs that handymen can do. As long as you're staying under that $1,000 mark, you're not doing jobs that require a building permit, and your jobs are considered casual and minor in nature, cosmetic and simple repairs, then you can operate as a handyman in the state of Nevada. Now, if you do decide to set up some type of handyman business, you'll want to register your name and choose a DBA, also known as doing business as. You may want to look into setting yourself up as a business entity, either a sole proprietor, corporation, or partnership. You want to look and understand basic accounting, bookkeeping, and making sure that you're complying with tax laws. And then in some cases, depending on where you live in the state of Nevada, you'll want to look into getting some type of Nevada business license. And then, of course, you'll want to look into insurance also, liability or property casualty. Now, there are contractor license classifications in the state of Nevada. So if you're performing larger jobs, you may want to look into getting a contractor license. There are three main types. There's an A, general engineering license for large-scale public works and engineering projects. There's a B, general building license for your residential and commercial remodels. And then there are C, specialty classifications, which are separate licenses for electrical, plumbing, HVAC, roofing, etc. Now, we've got a separate video that you'll see at the end that'll go into more depth on the contractor license requirements in Nevada, but this is just a basic snapshot of the licenses that are available. Now, I just want to thank you for watching. This has been a short video on Nevada handyman license laws. Any questions about getting licensed, bonding, trade skills, you can check out our channel. You can check out our website. Like and subscribe to the channel, and any questions that you have, feel free to drop them in the comments. But again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.